Hey guys, it's Shelby. This is my first video from my YouTube channel of Hipster McGee 813. And in this channel, I'm going to be helping you guys out with some tips, advice. I'll give you guys some personal experiences that have happened to me, and hopefully I'll help you out. I'll give you for an example. Do not get your nose pierced in a parking lot without telling your parents, because that will result in you getting a box of tampons thrown at your eye and a mysterious purple fluid coming out of your eye. Yeah. Just random stuff like that, because that's basically the foundation of my life. It's sad, I know. Alright guys, so keep coming back and I'll give you whatever you want. Just request it. Alright, peace out.